everyone, welcome back to Easy English with Rafi. Today in this video I will show you very 10 simple and common mistakes that almost every beginners make, and also I will show you how to fix them immediately. If you avoid all these mistakes, then your English is going to sound more natural and confident. So let's not waste any further time. Let's start the main video. And the first mistake is I am agree. The right one is I agree. Never say I am agree. Just simply say I agree. Isn't it simple? Second mistake is he do. This is the wrong. The right one is he does. For he, she, it, always use does. The correct sentence is he does his work well. Yes, just keep it in your mind and don't make this mistake. And mistake number 3, give me water. Don't say like this. Say, can I have some water? This sounds more polite and more natural. Can I have some water? Mistake number 4 is I didn't win. Yes, this is wrong. The right one is I didn't go. After didn't, we have to use always the base form of that verb. So I didn't go. And the mistake number 5 is discuss about. Discuss about. This is wrong. You know why? Because when you say discuss, then it's already includes the about. Then we don't need to use discuss about. Just simply say, let's discuss this. Let's discuss that. Isn't it interesting? Yes. Let's go to the next one. Mistakes number 6. More better. This is wrong. You can't say more better. Just say this is better. Never use more better. It sounds a little awkward. Just say only better. This is better. Okay? Mistake number 7. I didn't understood. This is wrong. Do you remember I was telling you earlier that you should use the base form of that verb? I didn't understood. No, I didn't understand. This is the right one. I didn't understand. Yes. Mistake number 8. He don't. Yes. Many often I have heard that people used to say he don't. No. Do remember one thing. I told you already. He, she, it always use does. So he doesn't. This is the right one. He doesn't. So don't make this mistake again. Mistake number 9. I am playing every day. This is wrong. The right one is I play every day. We have to use the simple present tense when we are talking about habits. So the right one is I play every day, not I am playing every day. Keep it in your mind and don't make these mistakes again. Mistake number 10. I want to go to toilet. Don't say like this. This sounds a little awkward. So you can use the better way to explain this situation. Just say, I want to go to the washroom. Yes, this sounds more, good, more natural. Just say, I want to go to the washroom. I want to go to the washroom. These were the 10 common mistakes that beginners always make. And tell me in the comment section which was new for you. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. So this is for all this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay healthy, and Jai Hind.